Here in front of me, I've got a couple of Porsche shell livery models from the brand Tinyhk and Sparky, except for one. That's the one right here. This is a Nissan, and this is from the brand Tinyhk and Poprace. Already showed these one in another video, but it is always good to refresh your memory. And these are brand new, the ones here in front of me. And I'm going to start with this one right here. Let's make some extra light. Shell Porsche 944. Flat headlights. I really love the look of these rims. Let's see, it's still wrapped in the plastic. Going to use my old knife. It's still working. Box package, I like that. Here's the barcode and article number. We can see it's a licensed Shell product. Here we got the side Shell logo, Tinyhk logo, and Sparky logo. Those are the two brands that are involved. There is a card inside, and it tells you it's a limited edition. Limited to 3,000, and this is number 200123. I like that. I like this card. Yeah, well wrapped in plastic. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I thought it were, when you look at the picture, I thought it were silver rims. But these are white. Wheels are rolling pretty well. We got a nice metal base, not much details. We got an exhaust right here, slick tires, it's a racing car. Side mirrors. Yeah, flat lights. And these are painted here in front. And the rear ones look a little bit lanced. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, we got some protection here. No heating in the back window. That is too much energy. Let's have a look in the interior. There we go. Nice authentic steering wheel. Steering poke for shifting gears. Some details on the dashboard. Yep, focus, nice seats inside. And here we can have a look in the back. And here the other side. Yeah, really nice one. And the cool thing about box package, you can place it back easy for storage if you want. Then we have the Shell Porsche 962 LM, T. Boutsen, D. Sullivan. I think those are the drivers. Yeah, 24 hours of Le Mans in 1994. Yep, same information here. Again, we can see it's a licensed product. Barcode, article number for if you are interested. Also officially licensed products by the 24 hours of Le Mans. Some more info, freeze the frame if you want to read it. There we go. Feels heavy. And I have to say it looks fantastic. Good rolling wheels, nothing wrong with that. I like the rims. Really like this shell livery. Also looks nice from above. Windscreen wiper and Porsche logo. Lanced headlights. Metal base. And here we got the back. I think I have to... Okay, that's handy from normal screws. Whoop. Problem solved. I like that. Very cool car. Can we see the interior? Let's try. Yeah. Nice bucket seat there. On the right side of the car, or I have to say the left side of the car. There is a steering wheel or something that looks like a steering wheel. Let's switch to detail mode. Let's see, there we got something. Ah yeah, now we can see it a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, one seat. Is there a seat here on the right? No, I don't think so. Yeah, amazing car. Looks very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Place this one back here. This is also Porsche 962 LM. I don't see any names of a driver. Again, licensed by Shell, 24 hours of Le Mans. Let's see how we open this. There we go. I think this is definitely the same as the other, but this is with another one, a set. Ah, yeah. You can buy this as a set. Nope, I have to do it like this. And then push them out. See, here you see the name of the drivers. For the rest, it's pretty much the same. LM35, 962, Shell Porsche. Well, I'm going to check right now. I'm curious. Yeah, that's the same. Okay. Okay, here you get another card. Limited, 962. Limited to 2,000 pieces, 373. Limited to 2,000, 1,062. Okay. Then we have this one, the 36. So here you can see it's part of a set. 2,373. fat turbo express 36. Good rolling wheels. Metal base, normal screws. Windscreen wiper right here. Side mirrors with some silver paint on it. Here we got the back with the exhaust. Yeah, interior must be the same. So we see the steering wheel. Yeah, same seat, same steering wheel. Hey, we can see the drivers here on the side. Yep, right here. Italian dude, American dude, and a French dude. We're sitting in a race car. And here, yep, also names. I like that. That's pretty nice. Okay, that is for the new ones. Now, I'm not going to show you all of these cars, but these were so cool. This is definitely a must-have. Limited to 1,500 pieces, so I'm saying be fast, be quick before it's gone. Definitely a must-have. This is also winner of the Le Mans race, Le Mans 24. And do we see a year? Yes, 1917. 1917. No, I have to do it like the other ones. Push it out. This is a fantastic set. They're both beautiful looking cars. Let's have a look at the card first. So you can see it's a set. I'm not sure if they sold separately. 1,500 and this is 764. True 164 size. Also look at the interior with the red seats. Beautiful steering wheel, lanced front lights. Yeah, this is definitely a must-have. Also very good rolling wheels. Some details on the base. And we got very wide tires here in the back. I like it. We got silver color in the exhaust. How can you not like this beautiful Porsche 917? Winner of the Le Mans in 1970. Don't worry, I'm also going to show you the other one. There we go. Let's have a look at the card. Yes, same number right here. Would be kind of strange if it was not the same number. Here we got basically the same car. I like those white tires in the back. They're so big. And the red bucket seats. Sandeman was in the driver's seat. No, Sandeman was not. It was David Piper. Here we got the name of the driver. Yeah, amazing car. Love it. I'm glad I'm having this set in my collection. Like I said, this is a must-have. Be fast, be quick before it's gone. Then I'm going to show you this one. This is from Poprace and Tinyhk. Shell Valino, the R34. And this one is pretty cool, not only because of the livery and the very good rolling wheels, and that it has something that looks like a brake disc, but it's the back of the, you can see the paint in the back. Yeah, Poprace has a nice metal flat base, but with a silver exhaust tip. I like that, thank you very much. Slick tires. And we got an opening part with a very detailed engine for 164 that it is produced in large numbers. Thank you very much, Tinyhk from nowadays. Side mirrors. Yeah, windscreen wiper in the back, not molded in the glass. I like that. Here, windscreen wipers that are molded in the glass. And here we can see it's a... It's a right-hand drive with a very good steering wheel. Not bad at all. Good seats in the back, yeah. Sticky fingers on the windows. Sorry for that. Anyways, this is a really cool looking car, and I think Poprace is a very cool diecast brand, and Tinyhk is and Tiny is also a very nice diecast brand. So the combination of these two brands are perfect. Although I think Tiny has the Shell license and Poprace made this car. So this car is 100% Poprace made, but they need the Shell logo. They need Tiny for the Shell logo license. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. And if you want to buy any of these models, I know that they're available on AliExpress for sure, but they're also available at the biggest diecast car store in the world, Tom's. We'll leave a link to it in the description of the video. Have a nice day. Bye.